Okay. Yeah.
If you like, you can stand in
I can stand where?
the picture.
Oh, right.
Next time.
Exactly. So, yeah. am I in the way? All right.
Proclaim to all the nations the marvelous deeds of the Lord. Proclaim to all the nations the marvelous deeds of the Lord. Proclaim to all the nations the marvelous deeds of the Lord. Proclaim to all the nations the marvelous deeds of the Lord. Sorry, I've lost my voice. Sing to the Lord a new song. Sing to the Lord, all you lands. Sing to the Lord with all your heart. And bless God's name. Proclaim to all the nations the marvelous deeds of the Lord. Proclaim to all the nations the marvelous deeds of the Lord.
Okay, Martha, very nice. So, your face was very energized. You made great eye contact. Your sound was it was nice and pleasant, and in tune. And so we need a little more energy, okay? Because you sort of it's interesting. You kind of set us up with your face, with that wonderful presence that you had in connection with us, and then you could have given us more sound to match that. Okay, all right. So what do you need to do that?
More breath?
Yeah, yeah. So proclaim to all that. Yes, you need to take a bigger breath, maybe. And then the gesture was very nice. But again, I'd like to encourage you to kind of experiment with proclaim, so that you put a juice in there. Proclaim to all the nations, because it'll also energize our singing. Okay?
3 minutes.
All right. Okay. So let's just work on the verse. So who are you speaking to? Verse 1? Yes, you're speaking to us, and you're telling us to do what?
To praise the Lord.
Yeah, and how? With what?
With music.
Yeah, so sing to the Lord. And sing what?
A new song.
A new song. What was wrong with the old one?
I didn't look at the notes.
Okay, right. So sing to the Lord, all you make lands. Well,
Sing to the Lord with all your heart and bless God's name.
yeah, okay, so this is a paraphrase, and so sing to the Lord a new song, for he has done what? Well, for he has done wondrous deeds. Okay, so it's an exhortation, so you want that to be a little more forceful, okay? Just take that right there. And actually speak it first, very forceful. Sing to the Lord.
Sing to the Lord a new song. Sing to the Lord, all ye lands. Sing to the Lord with all your heart and praise God's name.
Excellent. Okay, step it up about 3 notches. Okay.
Sing to the Lord a new song. Sing to the Lord, all ye lands. Sing to the Lord with all your heart and praise God's name.
Beautiful. Okay, now can you just sing that on one note, just like you read it?
Sing to the Lord a new song.
More sound.
Sing to the Lord, all ye
notice? What did we notice?
Much more energy, much more great voice.
Yeah. And what I saw was that like when you maybe started to run out of breath, then the energy began to fade a little bit from your face. So if you keep that breath going, it'll energize your face, and then it all works together. And see how much you energized our sound. And it was So you were radiant. You were radiant and just exuding that prayer. All right, excellent. Okay.